So over 100,000 free movies, TV shows, all included in this fully updated free streaming application, which works great on your FireSticks, Android TVs, really any streaming device. Now, this application doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application doesn't need any kind of VPN. It doesn't really have any adverts. And with this latest update, updated a few weeks ago, they've now just added in so much more streaming content that you can enjoy on all of your devices. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest FireStick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. So I'm doing my demonstration on the 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. You can follow this process on any other Amazon device or any other Android TV device. Now, when you start the application for the first time, the first thing you see is Foursome this week, which is some of the new stuff they've added in, and they are regularly adding in new content every other week just to keep the content as fresh as possible. Then you have browse by genre, so you've got your favorites: westerns, action, horror, black cinema, sci-fi, comedy, all of your favorite genres. Let's go to British. Let's click on that. Here we can see the very popular British content. Let's say you want to watch this Modern Monarchy. And you can see, guys, this is from 2023. I have seen content in here from as late as 2025. So content in here does have a big range of ages. Obviously, you'll see some of the older stuff, but it also has some newer content as well. Let's click on that. We can see some information about the episodes. We have 3 episodes in total. Let's try the second one. In less than a few seconds, that starts streaming straight away. And you notice, guys, there was no adverts, no interruptions. We are now streaming this HD broadcast directly on our Fire TV Cube, and that's working absolutely fine. Let's back out of that. You have drama, documentaries, history, fantasy, crime, mystery. Let's try that. We see new arrivals. We see popular TV shows, best 200 mysteries. Here's one with Kevin Bacon, Stir of Echoes. Let's click on that. Give that a second. And again, guys, you can see no interruptions, no adverts. We are straight streaming that content. I can forward that a bit. And that's working great. Let's back out of that. You have editor's choice. You have different collections. Now, for example, if you press the context key on any of these, let's try this one here. And you can then see a menu, which is add to the queue. You can see similar videos. You can move around or navigate to the top of the row. So you can add some control here. Let's click on add to queue. Now, when I go to the home screen, we can see we have a queue here. So as you can imagine, it's got a library of over 100,000 movies and TV shows. You can quickly browse through the list or browse as much as you can. Anything you find of interest, just press the context key. Let's do this one here. Click on add to queue. Let's go back. And when you go back, you can see at the top now, we have 2 options or 2 things added to the queue. So a great way for you to navigate around, add things into your library, and then view them whenever you get the time. Keep going down. So trending TV, here's some of the TV content, best 200 movies based on true stories, action, thriller, just lots and lots of options. Let's go to the left. You have collections. So here, for example, you've got best 200 movies, Oscar movies, and you can see this is from 2025, based on true stories, lots and lots of different things. Golden Globes, best movies by genre. You got a show section, so you got your best TV shows, new arrivals, Western TV. Let's try best TV shows. And you can see some of the popular content in here. Some of it is older stuff, but you got some very popular sci-fi content in here, like Star Trek, like Tales of Tomorrow. Let's try Hell's Kitchen. You can see, guys, lots and lots of seasons. Let's just try random ones. So season 9, episode 2. Just to show you that it's not just one episode, one movie, one TV show, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in here, it's working straight away. You really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content absolutely free, buffer free, and on all of your streaming devices. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Then you got a section for Spanish content. So if you do want to see that, that option is there. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this latest version of Foursome TV. Lots of content, all properly categorized into those genres. Massive TV library as well. Full seasons of your favorite TV shows. The ability to add stuff into your watch queue so you can watch it later. And to get all of that without requiring any kind of sign up, without using any kind of VPN, and really without seeing any adverts. I definitely think this latest version is worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this latest version on all of your devices, let's press the home key. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. Let's go over to the search and type in the word FAW. I think that should be enough. Here you have, so you have the Foursome TV app. Let's click on that. And that's the version in. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your Amazon App Store or your Google Play Store, I will upload the latest version of this application directly onto my website. Just head over to TechDoctorUK.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this latest version on all of your devices. The only thing to mention that for streaming applications or for certain content, it is always advisable to use a VPN. When you use a VPN, you are hiding your online digital fingerprint, which is your IP address. Because when you activate a VPN, you start using an IP address from your VPN provider. You can then access geo-locked content, you can stay safe online, and really just get the best streaming experience. Right now, there's a super special offer for the VPN I personally use, where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 FireSticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speeds, so zero buffering, and they also have a verified no logs policy, so they're not logging anything, they're not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using this VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications, your Netflixes, your BBC iPlayers, your Hulus. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using this VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.